Welcome to Out of Many One, the show that celebrates our unity as Jamaicans and highlights the vital role each of us plays in building a stronger, more resilient nation. I'm your host, Jamie Roden. On November 20, 1944, Jamaica took a big step forward by giving all adults the right to vote. Today, that right has grown even stronger as the voting age was lowered to 18. In this episode, Marlon Samuels chats with Glasspool Brown about the right to vote and why it matters.
In Jamaica, voting in national elections is a right and responsibility of every citizen over 18 years of age. Every citizen over 18 has the power to shape our future, but that power only works if we all participate. Your vote is your voice. It's fundamental to democracy. When you vote, you're helping to build a fairer, stronger Jamaica. The responsibility to vote is a vital part of protecting our democracy. Each of us has a role to play to ensure our country's future reflects our voices.
How does voting by citizens help to keep Jamaica's parliamentary democracy alive and well?
Well, every election involves the making of a decision, and certainly in terms of our process in Jamaica, the democratic process. And therefore, the citizen is asked to make what I regard as the most important decision that they can make, and that is to decide who governs the country for a period of time. And therefore, that involvement of the citizenry in the process enhance the quality of the governance that we have in the country. And therefore, as I said earlier on, that it's important that they be a part of the process, certainly in terms of the maintenance of that democratic system that we have in Jamaica.
Today, Jamaica's electoral system is among the best in the world, but it's only as strong as the people who participate. The rules are clear. One person, one vote. No one can vote more than once. Our election officials are committed to fairness.
Jamaica's system is now among the best in the world, ensuring the important goal that one person, one vote is achieved.
First, we have to ensure that the person is only registered once. And therefore, what we do is to do a comparison with what we have with our database. Certainly, we use biometric data as a guide to ensure that you're on the list only once. And therefore, at the point of registration, we do take your fingerprint. We went now embarking on doing your facial, we take a photograph, etc. And what we do is compare your fingerprint with the entire database. Therefore, you cannot be in the database more than once. And therefore, we ensure that you're registered only once. And therefore, you're only assigned to one polling station. And therefore, that helps us in terms of ensuring that nobody can vote more than once.
The Electoral Office of Jamaica has all systems in place to ensure free and fair elections.
Your vote is powerful. It shapes policies, determines leadership, and influences our nation's future. This election season, don't sit on the sidelines. Make your voice heard. Vote, because our future depends on it.
Thank you for joining us on Out of Many One. Remember, our strength lies in our collective efforts and shared responsibilities. I'm Jamie Roden. Join us again next week at the same time and place for more insights on how each of us can contribute to the growth and well-being of Jamaica, the country we call home. Until then, stay engaged, stay responsible, and stay proud to be out of many one.